It is so rare that I come across something that is effective, quick, simple, and cheap. All those 4 things, are you kidding me? Well, turns out there's something called body gua sha, which if you're like 90% of women and you have cellulite and you're like 100% of those women that would rather not have cellulite, you need to hear about this. I'm gonna keep this short and to the point because you're probably just as impatient as I am. I'm gonna cover how I use this body gua sha, what the results have been, and then some other details about cellulite that you're gonna need to know that may help you make some other tweaks in your lifestyle to improve even more. And if you're new here, my name's Rachel. This is Run Down with Rachel because I just like getting to the point. I know I appreciate when people get to the point, so that's just what we're gonna do. All right, so I got this body gua sha a while back. I had it, I hadn't been using it. It was kind of a, oh, I got a gift card. Let me use this gift card from Anthropologies, and that's what I got. Well, I wasn't really using it. And then I got this book called The Book of Lymph, and now I'm just a lymph system fanatic, okay? I am so eager to get rid of cellulite. I haven't even reached that part of the book yet, but I'm thinking lymph, thinking cellulite, thinking body gua sha. Having this book basically prompted me to look into this. What I've done, I got back to dry brushing, which is also very quick. The hardest part about dry brushing is remembering to dry brush. How do you get around that? Keep the dry brush right outside your shower. Before you get in the shower, do some dry brushing. You can follow a video tutorial that'll go through that, but really you're just starting from the bottom of your legs and working your way up to your heart. Everything's like basically going to your heart when it comes to dry brushing. I have a video on that too. I will link it for you. Do the dry brushing, then I shower, and now I'm doing this body gua sha. I followed a tutorial on how to do this. Very similar approach with the dry brush, but it's a little bit different. The first time I used the body gua sha, I could really see as I was rubbing the gua sha against my skin, the cellulite just really compressed. It's kind of like when you sit down, your cellulite, if you have it, it's going to be more noticeable. That was happening for me. And then the next day, did it again. And it was like the cellulite wasn't as pronounced as the day before. Day by day, and I'm talking a week, people. I'm talking a week. It's like gone. Does that not sound insane? I know it sounds insane. It sounds insane. But here's probably the catch. You got to continue doing gua sha to sustain those results. But it is so quick, it's so easy. It doesn't take me more than a minute to do this, and it actually feels really good, and I'm starting to crave it just like I crave the dry brush. Especially, I crave not having cellulite, so I think that's really what I'm craving too. So I dry brush before the shower, I shower, and then I do the body gua sha after, and it feels really great. I really see the circulation in my skin. That's one of the reasons why it's so effective with cellulite, because cellulite is often caused by limited circulation. So if you sit a lot, you may be more prone to cellulite. Another thing that can cause cellulite is estrogen. And so you may notice at certain times of your cycle, all you ladies out there, you may see your cellulite get worse than better. Increased salt intake can also increase the looks of your cellulite because it increases water retention. If you gain weight, that can also increase cellulite. There's all these things that can increase cellulite, especially as we age, our skin elasticity reduces, and then that can contribute to cellulite. As much as all that sucks, having cellulite in general, I'm just over the moon excited to tell you about this super simple add-on to your shower routine that feels good. And if you do try it, please let me know if I'm a crazy person, because I cannot believe how quick I'm seeing results here. Cannot believe it. If you're going to get a dry brush, just a simple dry brush. I mean, I've gotten some from the grocery store before. I've gotten some from Amazon. It just makes sure you have a natural bristle. You just hold it. There's ones that have a stick on it. Like this one, you can basically add an attachment so you can reach your back. I don't really even do my back, to be honest with you. But very simple, very cheap. This one, I got it from Anthropology. I think I was biased because it's basically Rachel. You know, I kind of have a bias there. All the Rachels out there may be pulled to get this, or anybody with the shell. Michelle, maybe want that too. But there are paddles you can get on Amazon, super cheap. Please try this out if you haven't yet. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know if I'm psycho. Let me know. But I tell you what, either way, I'm going to be continuing to use this. We all love a great routine that's cheap, effective, simple. Did I say cheap? But works. If you have one of your own or multiple, please be sure to share in the comments below. That is the wealth of this channel, and we really appreciate you sharing the wealth. With that, I hope you have a fabulous week, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks.